It feels like I'm supposed to go to Jeju Island or something. Oh. Oh, I know her. She's so good. Dude, she's so good at singing. Yeah, she's a dancer. Yua.
Oh.
She danced with Block B. Yuga.
Oh, it's her?
Yeah. Dude, this is so Japanese.
Is it?
Yeah.
They're so pure.
Okay. It looks like it is for you commercial. I've seen her.
They kind of have the G-Friend.
But it's like even pure. Like G-Friend is like more powerful. Oh, is there a new song now?
I don't know.
Huh? Wait, what? I thought he was supposed to be pure. Why is he shooting other members?
Naga, the genre of the song is really complicated. It's like country, but then it has.
That's what K-pop is. It's a mixture of all sorts.
Huh?
It has like.
Sejong?
Huh? No.
Oh.
What the heck? She's in Gugudan. Oh, she's the one who got anorexic. She's like peeing. I've heard about it. So she's like dressing or something.
Oh.
They're so skinny.
She looks like Joshua.
What the heck?
What? Joshua's pretty.
I know, but like. Oh, this looks like Harry Potter.
Triwizards.
Yeah.
Oh, they have a lot of members.
How many? They're all like dolls. Like, I don't know. What do you think? They're so skinny and like.
What's their concept?
Dude, the background music, it sounds like some old Western movie kind of thing.
It sounds like
guns and stuff.
the song is nice, but it's a
really-
complicated music thing.
Yeah. No, the music itself is very complicated. And their voices are really high.
They're girls.
Hey, we're girls too. It's like 3 octaves higher than my voice.
They're really pretty.
Huh? What, roadkill? Whoa. I'm confused. Are they all deers?
Like, I don't know if it's supposed to be really pure.
No, listen to the background music.
Yeah, I know.
It's like slightly Indian too.
Deer.
Interesting. I get their concept.
What's their concept? I don't get it.
Like, pretty and like skinny and girly. I don't know. That's a lot. Yeah, doll-like features.
They're all visuals. なんか.
Are you saying that they're all pretty?
Yeah.
Oh.